Hello, in front of me I have Vivax Lifefit Hero Kids smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the watch. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HardReset Pro application. Once the devices are paired, we need to make sure that the HardReset Pro application has the required permissions enabled for the notifications to work. So let's press and hold on the HardReset Pro icon. When this menu pops up, tap on the app info, and here tap on permissions. Now make sure that the required permissions are enabled. So we need to enable the call logs, contacts, phone, and SMS. If they're disabled, they're right here on the deny list. So let's deny them. A couple of them, like that. If the permissions are denied, you need to scroll down, tap on the permission, tap on allow, go back, and do the same for the SMS, like this. Remember, SMS, phone, call logs, contacts need to be enabled. Okay, so once you allow the permissions, you can close the this window and open the settings on your phone. So let's open the settings. In settings, tap on apps and notifications, then tap on advanced, scroll down, tap on special app access, and here tap on notification access. We need to allow the notification access for the HardReset Pro application. To do it, find the HardReset Pro application on the list. As you can see, mine is already allowed, but if yours is not allowed, tap on HardReset Pro. You will need to tap on this switch right here, then tap on allow, and once the switch is turned on or enabled, you can see that it's allowed. You can go back to the home screen of your phone, and now you can open the HardReset Pro application on your phone. Let's close this notification. In the app, you should see the home screen. Tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. Here, tap on the message push. And right here, we can basically customize the notifications. So we can enable or disable them for calls, SMS, QQ, WeChat, Facebook, and different apps, basically. You can also tap on close all to disable them all, and uncheck it or turn it off to enable them all. Once you enable the notifications, you should be able to receive them. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.